So we were gonna film today, but this is the weather out. Pretty ass. I'm just with Dwyer now. Gonna go get some groceries and chill at night and just have a day in. So yeah, enjoy. You can't know how I am. Alright, so we just got some groceries, right, Dwyer?
Yes, we did.
Now we're gonna answer some questions. Question time. First question. Favorite style decade?
Probably 60s, 70s. I like the 20s.
Dwyer likes the 20s. Me personally, I don't really mess with any certain decade. I kind of just like dressing however I want. Yeah, I don't know how else to explain it. Yeah, I don't really. Yeah, my own style, I guess. I don't know, my own decade. I'm my own generation. Second question. Third question. What happened to vlog 1? I love that one. What made you want to start doing YouTube? I've always wanted to do YouTube, and I finally just spent $450 and bought a GoPro. All right, Dwyer, this one's for both of us. Sweet. What is your dream?
Probably be as happy as I can be. Find love. Just love everyone with all my heart. Dream. Live it out every day.
Very good response, Dwyer. I'd say mine's very, very similar. Just love everyone as best as you can. Live selflessly. Try to enjoy what you do.
Good.
Not bad. That's my dream, realistically. All right. Have you ever been out of state?
I live in 2 different states, so.
I have been out of state, yes. All the way down the East Coast. I've taken road trips to Chicago and Washington, D.C. and Canada, all of New England, a bunch of tropical islands. I think that's it.
It's good, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. What makes biking so great? I think biking, I hope that shit wasn't all over my lens the whole time. You put in the work and then you get the result. If you pedal, you go. I don't know how to explain it. It's hard work. You put in hard work, you get a result. You go. I actually get in like a different headspace when I do it. It's just a great thing. I'm glad bikes were invented. That's it.
That was good.
That's it for the questions. Back to the rainy day inside. Bro, can you leave me alone while I'm taking a dump? Hey, man. Come in.
I call the shower.
Renegade, whoa.
I wonder who got the ace.
We don't got much going on. We just played a little bit of BS, the card game, and now we're gonna play Scrabble.
Woo! Scrabble!
Woo, woo, woo! Yeah!
East side or are they closed? Are we done with the Scrabble? yeah, alright. No, give me something good. No, good, I said. Give me something good, Seth.
I'm trying my best.
Okay, you could do better. I know you can.
Give him a good solid content.
There you go. That's not bad. Keep going. You got it. You're in the pocket, baby. Found it. It's called finesse. When you find it and you feel it out and you can just fucking live in it
It's called finesse.
How's it going? This is vlog 5.
Yep.
Vlog 5. Like, subscribe, comment. Beautiful man. I'm proud of him. Many more to come. I'm gonna go finish my food.